Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best kitchen tools to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're talking about the KITCHTREE Fruit and Vegetable Strainer Attachment Set for KitchenAid. Hands down the best fruit and vegetable strainer for your KitchenAid stand mixer. This versatile attachment set includes both a food grinder and sausage stuffer tubes, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen game. Let's start with the strainer attachment. This tool works wonders when it comes to pureeing and straining fruits and vegetables for all your culinary needs. Imagine making homemade jams, fresh sauces, or baby food, all with ease. The strainer efficiently separates the pulp from the seeds, skins, and tough stems, leaving you with a smooth puree ready to use. It works particularly well with cooked fruits like apples and tomatoes, where the pulp easily passes through while the tougher parts are discarded. Now, onto the grinder attachment. This powerful grinder allows you to grind fresh meat for sausages and burgers, as well as vegetables for salsas and sauces. The set comes with 2 different grinding plates and 2 sausage stuffer tubes in various sizes, so you can customize your grinding experience. Whether you're making fresh meatballs, ground beef, or even breadcrumbs, this grinder delivers a fine, even texture every time. What's great about this attachment set is how easy it is to use. Simply cut your ingredients into smaller pieces, place them into the hopper, and let the stand mixer do the rest. The strainer cone ensures that only the finest pureed fruits or vegetables make it through, leaving the unwanted parts behind. One important thing to note is that while this attachment set isn't dishwasher safe, cleaning it is a breeze. After use, simply rinse the parts with warm water and soap, and use the included cleaning brush to remove any remaining bits. The components are all detachable, making the entire cleaning process fast and straightforward. If you're looking to take your cooking to the next level, the KITCHTREE Fruit and Vegetable Strainer Attachment Set for KitchenAid is a must-have. With its dual functionality, you'll be able to tackle everything from grinding meat for your favorite recipes to pureeing fruits and vegetables for sauces and jams. If you're serious about home cooking, this is the tool you need. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more amazing kitchen products.